Wow, what a fun little etude. I just love playing Wohlfahrt, whether it's on the violin or a viola. I love it. It makes me happy somehow. I hope you enjoyed this little presentation. You can play this with different variants. In the book, there's at least 4 different types of variations you can do, which I think you should. It's a lot of fun and learn something new. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I wish to invite you to my website where you can find more information about me and the lessons I teach online. Maybe we can book a lesson together. Thanks a lot.